In this video we will see how the MDG Office integration will allow you to import Word into Enterprise Architect. Let's have a quick demo on Word Importer. Data from the Word are imported into EA as individual artifacts using the MDG Office integration Word Importer. Package and element hierarchies can be imported based on the headings. Data from Word can be in a table format or in an inline text with delimiters. Let's import these data from Word using MDG Office integration. Navigate to Specialized ribbon Microsoft Office, hit on the Import Word Document option. Browse the document you want to import. You can create a new profile for the Select Add New button. Provide the appropriate details for the profile. Select the Word document which is displayed at the beginning using Browse button. Map the appropriate type for the document headings. Map the properties. You can also autofill values. The Configure connector is only enabled when a property is mapped as connector. In Connector Properties window, Value field used to identify whether the connector should be created based on name, alias, or GUID property of an element. Map the element properties also from the tables in Word document. Fill the appropriate value in their respective field. Hit Create. Select the newly created profile. Select the required fields. Hit Preview. As you can see, the preview for the import is shown. Hit Import, you will be shown the connector definitions. Hit OK to start the import process. The requirement elements are added to the model. The relationship between the objects are also updated. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you.